Welcome to today's video. Welcome to W Fixing today. So we are going to solve the problem that is Windows 11 or 10 stuck at green screen of death. Follow these methods to fix the green screen error. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to follow some step-by-step solutions that we are going to do here. So our first solution is disconnect all peripherals. Okay. So the green screen of death on Windows 10 can be caused by any connected peripherals like external USB drive or external power cord, external keyboard, etc. So you have to disconnect those. So you can see here in the tab there are no any peripherals are connected in my PC. So you have to disconnect if you have any. So second is update your drivers. So for that what you have to do is one of your reasons might be causing the green screen of death. Your Windows can be outdated drivers. To solve this problem of the drivers of your system, if due to the green screen error you are not able to access your system, then you will need to restart your Windows into safe mode. Okay, so what I will do is I have to type search here or what we have to do now is update our drivers. So I will open my device manager. So simply you can type here device manager. You can type here device manager and click on open. So you can see here the device manager option in front of us, and you can see here the display drivers option. Okay, so for that what we have to do is we have to update our driver first. So I will right click on Intel and I will go to properties. After that I will click on drivers, and then you can see here the driver details and update driver. So I will click on update driver so it will show there how do you want to search for drivers and search automatically for drivers. So I will click on this and it's showing here the base drivers for your device are already installed. So if you don't have your drivers installed, then you have to install it from here. So I will close this window, and this was our one solution. This was our second solution. Okay, so by updating drivers that you have done this method. So next method is to remove third-party antivirus tools. So for that what we have to do is we have to go to settings first. So you have to type here settings. You can open settings from here also, and also you can click on Windows option, Windows icon, so that you can open settings from here. Okay, so after going to the setting, once you are on the apps and features panel, so what you have to open is apps and features. So you can see here the apps option. I will right click on the option. Okay, then you can see here apps and features, and you will see the third party apps of your system listed. So you can see here the third party apps. So search for list or all drivers, filtered by all drivers or sort by name. You can see here the third party apps. So third party apps means the apps which are not included in your Windows PC. Okay, so you have to select that app. So I will select here any app from here that is third party app in my PC. So here is one app, that is OBS Studio. So for that what you have to do is you have to uninstall that app. So I don't want this app. This app is doing that problem of green screen. Then I will simply uninstall this. Uninstall. Okay, so this is our first solution. So okay, so we can see here the solutions that step by step. So our fifth solution is after clicking, so we have seen the fourth solution. Then what we have to do is reinstall Windows 10. So for that what we have to do, once you are on the home page of your own Windows 10, go to the start menu and then click on settings icon. So again we are opening settings here. Okay, we are going to open settings. After that what we have to do is under the update and security tab. So next we have to open update and security. I will click on the update and security. Then you can see here the Windows update option, and after that we have to select here the recovery from left tab. Okay, So you can see here on the left tab, you can see here left tab, that is recovery. So I will right click on that. Okay, so after that what we have to do is go back to the previous version of Windows 10. So you can see here creating a recovery drive, right click on that. You can see here it will show up here the method to create that. Okay, after that what you have to do is click on the recovery option and the recovery panel, and once recovery panel you will see the go back to the previous version of Windows 10. But it's not showing here the option because there is no any previous version, no any version installed in on this PC, that is not Windows 11. Okay, so I already having the same version, that is Windows 10, so it will not show up here. If you seen here any previous version option, that is go back to the previous version of Windows 10, then you have to click on that. Okay, so you have to reinstall your Windows and recover last data from Windows 10 with with that recovery. So recovery is the recovery data. Recovery is the application you can download and recover all the data. Okay, after that reinstalling the Windows. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find your all solution. You can put in the comments. Thank you.